All right, welcome to Web Design Lesson 3. In this lesson, we're going to be talking to you about the most important tools that you need to use to become a great web designer. Now, if you missed Lesson 2, where we talked about how to make your websites not look like garbage, be sure to click this link up here in the top corner, and let's get into it. So, as a wise man once said, a hero is only as good as his weapon. So we need to make sure that you've got the right tools so you can do good work. So the first thing that I would recommend is using a good sitemap tool that will help you outline your website. I would recommend octopus.do, as this is a great place to start. It's really easy to learn and super easy to use. The next thing that you're going to need is a great design tool, and there's no question that the best in the game is Figma. So if you haven't already, dive into Figma and start learning it, because it is going to be a priceless skill for you to learn. The next thing that you're going to need is a great development tool. Once you design your website in your design tool, you need a way to turn those designs into a live functioning website. So if you're just getting started, I would recommend Webflow. While it is a little bit more difficult to learn, in the long run, you're going to be happier because you're going to be able to build some pretty amazing things. A couple other good options are Wix, which is much easier to learn and has a lot of awesome features, especially for beginners. So you're going to be very happy with Wix as well. And then, of course, the biggest in the game is WordPress. While it may not be the most user-friendly, there's no doubt that you have the best support, the best community, and it's been around for years and years and years. And so this is going to be a great tool to use. You're never going to regret using WordPress. The next thing that you're going to need is a tool to help you through the revision process. The revision process can be pretty cumbersome because your clients are going through and making recommendations on things that they want changed in your design. So rather than going back and forth via email, you can use a tool like markup.io, where you can take screenshots of your designs, send them to your client, and then they can click on specific parts of the design and then leave comments. Once you make the changes that they've suggested, you can cross off those comments to keep track of your revisions. Now, you're also going to want some good asset libraries, because a website is only as good as its assets, or in other words, the photos, icons, images, illustrations, all of the visuals that you're using on the website. So what I would recommend is using Unsplash. This is a free resource where you can download some pretty awesome images. Now, the tool that my team likes to use is Adobe Stock. Now, there is a monthly fee to use Adobe Stock, but the images and assets that you're going to get there are going to be much higher quality, and they're not going to look as much like basic stock photos because they're going to be far more unique. Now, the other paid tool that my team uses is Icon Scout. I love Icon Scout. They have an endless library of icons, 3D icons and illustrations, everything that you might need to make your website look incredible. Now, if you're running your own projects, you're going to want something that can help you manage contracts, proposals, invoices, and keep track of how much you're earning. And the tool that I've used since day one is called Hello Bonsai. It's pretty cheap. It's a monthly fee, but you're going to get everything that you pay for because you're going to be able to have everything all in one place. You're going to be able to track your time, manage your clients and your projects. This is an awesome tool for anyone that's freelancing. Now, there are a ton of awesome tools out there, but the tools that I've shared in this video are the only tools that I've needed to scale my business to multiple six figures. So dive in, start learning these tools, and you too can become a great web designer. So thanks for watching this video. If you want to watch the next lesson, be sure to click below to subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.